Most people think an oil dipstick is just a metal stick, but it's not. It's a calibrated measuring tool designed for one specific engine. Today, I'll explain what really happens if you use the wrong dipstick and how it can cause overfilling, oil starvation, and engine failure. So why does a dipstick need to be so precise? To understand that, we need to look inside the engine, starting with how oil level is actually measured and why no two engines are exactly the same. The dipstick measures the oil level by being inserted into the oil pan, with its bottom sitting directly in the engine oil that collects there. When the dipstick is pulled out, oil clings to it due to surface tension, showing the level the oil reached inside the pan. The stick has two markings: minimum or low, which indicates the minimum safe oil level, and maximum or full, which indicates the maximum safe oil level. Under normal conditions, the oil should remain between these two marks. But those markings aren't just random, they're carefully engineered. The length of the dipstick and the exact position of the minimum or low and maximum or full marks are designed based on several critical factors. One of the most important is oil pan depth. Every engine has a uniquely shaped oil pan, and the dipstick must reach the correct depth to measure the oil accurately. Another factor is the dipstick tube length and shape. The metal guide tube that the dipstick slides through can vary in length and curvature, so a dipstick made for a different tube will not sit at the correct depth inside the engine. Oil capacity also plays a major role, since some engines require only a few liters of oil, while others need much more, and the maximum or full mark is positioned to match the exact volume specified by the manufacturer. What happens if you use the wrong oil dipstick? Using the wrong dipstick can cause two dangerous scenarios. If the dipstick is too long, it will dip deeper into the oil and falsely indicate that the engine is full when it is actually low on oil, leading the driver to unknowingly operate the engine with insufficient lubrication, which increases friction, heat, and long-term wear. On the other hand, if the dipstick is too short, it may not reach the oil level at all, causing repeated low readings that encourage overfilling. This can result in oil aeration or foaming, where air mixes with the oil, reducing its ability to lubricate and potentially leading to oil pressure loss and engine failure. So next time you check your engine oil, remember, that dipstick is more than just a metal stick. It's a precision tool designed for your engine. Using the wrong one might seem harmless, but it can quietly cause serious damage over time. Always use the dipstick specified by your manufacturer, check your levels regularly, and keep your engine running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.